We were supposed to go to Siquijor yesterday, however, it didn't quite turn out how we planned, and instead, we are now not going to Siquijor. We're staying in Moalboal, so we're in the way of everybody. We are going to lots of waterfalls today. We're just going to rent a little scooter out and go to all these places.
Crossing the road is not easy here. So we hired a bike. We are on our way to Tumalog Falls.
Yeah, it's quite a long ride, but super good roads around here, so it's really relaxing.
1 hour and 45 from Moalboal. Hey buddy! Hey, you're so pretty. Oh, Oslo. We're gonna pass Oslo. And then after Oslo, it's turn.
No, I think Oslo is there, but Oslo whale watching is there.
Yeah.
So riding a scooter here in the Philippines is quite interesting. It's very different to riding one back in the UK. There's a lot of people on the road. Everyone's kind of, you know, you got your helmet and that's all they wear. They wear a helmet, or they don't wear a helmet and they ride around. Most places are trying to enforce everyone to wear a helmet now. But sometimes it can be a bit crazy. They bib if they're going past you, or a couple of little bibs to let you know that they're going to be overtaking. So once you get the hang of that, it's quite easy. You end up bibbing. There's lots of dogs in the road. Lots and lots of dogs in the road. There's been a couple of times where I've nearly run into one, but fortunately the brakes work and we always check the brakes before we get one of the scooters. Other than that, yeah, it's not too bad. In certain places the roads are pretty good, like here in the South Cebu the roads are pretty good, whereas over in Palawan it was like really rough roads, so it's a lot easier to ride over here in the Cebu region. Cars are the ones you got to watch for, because a lot of them just overtake and they don't care. They just overtake and they almost cause a crash every time. I swear, like I'm watching thinking, oh my god, he's gonna overtake and there's someone coming. They don't care. Even the locals, they bib and shout out. So you gotta watch out for the cars and the buses. They're the bad ones. So other than that, yes, it's pretty fun. It's definitely a cool experience. I would wear more than this, like some protective gear if they had any, but it seems like it's just a helmet. So just take it easy. I never ride too fast. I just ride nice and steady at my pace and don't worry about anyone else. Other than that, yeah, it's pretty fun.
So we arrived at the Tumalog waterfall. It's waterfall all over.
It's water, yeah, the water is certainly falling
everywhere. So we're just hiding here.
So we managed to get up. The bike slipped a couple of times, but we caught it before it like hit the ground. Turned the camera around. There's a big lizard.
It's not real, is it? Oh my god, it's real. That was real. Wow. Yeah, so we're now hiding here. We parked our bike just there. We're gonna wait a little bit. Maybe the waterfall is gonna be better without that much rain. Okay, it stopped raining for a little bit. Still raining, but not as much.
Yeah.
We're gonna make it.
Very steep hill.
Yeah, we're gonna have to come back then. Also very careful. It better be worth it.
So we made it to the Tumalog waterfalls, and we're in a little kind of cove at the moment, so we can't get wet. And if you look just over here, you can see all of the water coming down. And there you go. So apparently right now it's a lot lower than what it used to be. The water doesn't rise so much. We're here at the Binalayan waterfalls. We just tried to visit the Angoid waterfalls, but they were closed, so we quickly decided to come to this one because it's now getting dark and we really wanted to take some nice photos and maybe even put the drone in the air. However, we've got very short amount of time until it starts to get dark, but so far this place looks beautiful, so let's check it out. How was that?
It was so nice.
How did the jump feel?
It was scary, but actually there's nothing to be worried about. It's quite deep, so go for it. So this is the best place here in Moalboal for food. They just simply serve the best vegan pizza ever. And also they have amazing mango shake. So cheap as well.
Alright. Oh hey there. Welcome to my Pizza Hut.
135 pesos for big.
And we're now buying it and taking it back to our accommodation.
Because we are so wet, we've been driving in the rain, so I think it would be nice to dry up and have some pizza. There it is. The best pizza ever. So good.
Because they're volunteers.
Oh, it's so blurry.
Oh.
And maybe it's the darkness.
Okay. When you get here, you're going to pay a 60 peso fee to enter, and then you have to have a tour guide.
Losing you.
Okay, do it when we get back. Let's do it when we get back then.